So I just have to tell you guys about this. I am like super tickled about this. New case. Yeah, new one. New. Not new, nowhere close to new, old as hell, bad. Bad case, bad. Anyway, this case, this camera bag is probably 12 years old. I've had this for a long time. And it's so worn out now that when lenses are in here and you pick up the camera bag, it falls into there. So nothing stays where it's supposed to. It just falls from one pocket to the next until it's at the bottom. It's hired. Now, a lot of you know that I have 2 studios, and so now that I have the exact same lighting system and computer system in each studio, I wanted to be able to move my camera back and forth, and because I calibrate the hell out of everything when I'm shooting product or artwork, I want to use the same camera. So I was using this. This was a bad idea. Lenses were getting dirty. I chipped a polarizer. There's all kinds of problems. So I finally decided to buy one of these. Now the reason why I'm telling you about this is the Apache 4800. This thing is 18 inches wide, 13 inches tall, and 7 inches deep. And so it also has padlock holes on it, and then a bleeder valve. Bleeder valves are good because then that means it's really watertight. This is Ip65 Compliant. Obviously you saw from over here, waterproof, dustproof, and impact resistant. And it has these locking foam things. But anyway, the reason why I'm so tickled about it is because this is how everything looks now. And this is how it's going to move back and forth from studio to studio. Now I have a field camera bag that has my field camera and the stuff that I take out when I'm going around to photo shoots or whatever. But this is just my studio system. So Sony a7R4, all my lenses, Godox, X2 transmitter, and blower, and lens cleaner. That's really all I need in this. And so anyway, this thing cost me 40 bucks. That's the reason why I'm telling you about this. A blistering 40 bucks. So I got it from Harbor Freight. You can go down to Harbor Freight, just pull up a coupon on your phone off of their website for this thing and save yourself 25%. Now they also have a overhead bin flight rolling case that's kind of the same thing for 89 bucks, and after the 25% coupon it'll probably be like 70. I may have to buy one of those just to have it because I think they're really cool. But yeah, just loving this stupid case. It's been really nice just to move things back and forth. And it has this locking foam that you just pull out in cubes so you can just kind of make whatever shape you want. By the way, this is my cat. My cat did this. So if you have cats, just leave this thing closed around them because for some reason they just want to chew on this frickin' foam. But anyway, just a stupid quick video because I thought you guys would like this. So anyway, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. And like I said, you can go to Harbor Freight or harborfreight.com to get this. There's a coupon that you can download, put in a coupon code, whatever. The whole point of this is for this size of case, this is the absolute cheapest way to get it. You can't get it cheaper anywhere else. And I think it's a hell of a steal. The sale only goes on till the end of the month. No, Harbor Freight did not ask me to do this. I just thought it was a good deal. I thought I'd let you guys know about it. So, see ya. Yeah. Worked in muscles. Oh God.